we have some breaking news coming in at this point in time. BJP has put out a video of Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition from the Lok Sabha. This video is from his last month's visit to the United States of America, where he can be heard calling Ram, Lord Ram, a mythological figure. Let's now go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt joining us on the broadcast. More on this. Mohit, the BJP in fact has cited this statement by Rahul Gandhi, and clearly this has given more ammunition to the BJP to target Rahul Gandhi and Congress party once again on this issue.
Well, in fact, you see, Rahul Gandhi was speaking on the issue of that how the Hindu nationalist who said in an assassination trial that as the Hindus, Mahatma Gandhi's love for Muslim was so unacceptable to him that he had to be assassinated. So that was a conversation that was going on where Rahul Gandhi, while speaking about the Indian history, the social reformers, political thinkers, made this particular statement. He said that the search for truth and non-violence, and this is to me is the rock of Indian tradition and history. I don't know of one person who can consider great in India who wasn't of this type. I can't think of one, right? All are mythological figures. Lord Ram was one of them. So this particular line has been picked up by the BJP. Now what the BJP is saying, like we have seen the statement coming in from the Shahzad Poonawalla, the national spokesperson of the BJP, he says that Rahul Gandhi earlier was Rashtradrohi because he used to make statement against the Constitution, Election Commission outside, and now he has become Ramdrohi. Now he also goes on to say that Rahul Gandhi says Prabhu Ram is mythological or Kalpanik. This is how they opposed Ram Mandir and even doubted existence of Prabhu Ram. So this particular issue is being used by the BJP to attack Rahul Gandhi, and we see various reactions coming in from Pradeep Bhandari, also again a national spokesperson for the BJP, who says that jo jitna bada Congresi wo itna bada Hindu Virodi. So again we see that BJP is picking up on this particular issue, and surely they will escalate attack on Rahul Gandhi, and it comes at a time when the BJP has been attacking Rahul Gandhi of making defamatory statements against the country.
BJP is now trying to say that Ram Virodi mindset has been exposed. You would recall during UPA rule also Congress party had called Lord Ram a mythological figure in an affidavit in Supreme Court on Ram Setu.
Oh yes, in fact, and you see, Rahul, when it comes to the BJP has cited all these incidents in the past. They have said that it was Kapil Sibal who stood in the court against the Ram temple. BJP have said that it was the Congress party who in an affidavit said that Lord Ram is a mythological character, and BJP also says that the Congress has raised questions on the validity of Ram Setu. So the BJP has been saying this, that Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, they have always been against Lord Ram. They have been against the Ram temple. They were against the consecration ceremony. The invites were being sent. They did not come. So basically, the BJP has been saying this for a long time, that how Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, in a way, to show that they are secular, they have always demeaned Hindu religion. And
Mohit, request you to stay on with us. In fact, we have got that reaction from Shahzad Poonawalla of the BJP as well. Let's listen in.
हिंदुओं का अपमान, प्रभु श्री राम का अपमान, यही कांग्रेस पार्टी की बन चुकी है पहचान। प्रभु श्री राम के अस्तित्व को एफिडेविट पर नकारने वाले, राम मंदिर का विरोध करने वाले, हिंदू टेरर, भगवा आतंक की शब्दावली गढ़ने वाले, देवता भगवान नहीं होता ऐसा राहुल गांधी ने कहा, ऐसा कहने वाले, मंदिरों में जाने वाले लड़कियों के साथ शोषण करते हैं, इस मानसिकता को रखने वाले। अब उनका एक और नया बयान सामने आया है कि प्रभु श्री राम काल्पनिक थे, माइथोलॉजिकल थे। ये राम विरोधी, हिंदू विरोधी पार्टी की मानसिकता का सबसे बड़ा परिचायक है। राष्ट्रद्रोह और रामद्रोह, यही कांग्रेस पार्टी की विचार है।
Let's now go back to my colleague Mohit, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Mohit, have we heard anything from anybody in the Congress party on this statement that has now been raised by the BJP to target Rahul Gandhi?
So as of now, we have not heard anything from the Congress party, but yes, we have seen multiple reactions coming in from the BJP. Now, earlier also when the BJP has been raising these questions, Congress has been saying this, that they do not need certificates from the BJP to prove that they are Hindu. But this particular statement in which Rahul Gandhi has referred to Lord Ram as a mythological character, this is something which will surely be picked up by the BJP, and whether it was a faux pas, whether it was a deliberate statement, that remains to be seen. We'll surely get the reaction. But yes, BJP will be escalating this tomorrow. What we are being told is that BJP will be making a big issue of out of this, and perhaps that is why we have seen many of the national spokesperson of the BJP, they are coming out and calling out Rahul Gandhi for his particular statement, saying that Rahul Gandhi, from being a Desh Virodi, this is what the BJP says,
Mohit,
has
interrupting you there, request you to stay on with us. We have Udit Raj of the Congress Party joining us on the broadcast as well. Good evening, sir. Thank you for speaking with us. You're on Times Now. BJP has put out a video of Rahul Gandhi from his visit to the United States of America last month, where he can be heard calling Lord Ram a mythological figure. BJP says that Ram Virodhi mindset has been exposed. Your reaction?
See what happened, what is to be done by BJP and Modi government are failing to do. That is why they are diverting the attention. So they are to teach lesson to Pakistan. They are failing. That's why they are raking up the issues which are not relevant. Today, the whole nation is watching what Mr. Modi is going to do.
So you're saying this is an attempt to divert the attention. I will get BJP's Pradeep Bhandari to respond to what you have said. He has also joined us. But before that, anything on the statement that was made by Rahul Gandhi? Mr. Udit Raj? Okay, I think we've lost that connection. We have Pradeep Bhandari of the Bharatiya Janata Party also joining us on the broadcast. Pradeep, good evening again. So the Congress Party is of the view that this is yet another attempt by the BJP to divert the attention at a time when the country is waiting for, the Prime Minister, the centre to do something.
Well, Hina, the Congress Party is an anti-Hindu party. Rahul Gandhi called Prabhu Sri Ram a mythological figure. If the Congress Party expects the Bharatiya Janata Party to be quiet on it, then the Congress Party is wrong, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and not just Prime Minister Narendra Modi, 140 crore Indians believe for them Prabhu Sri Ram is God, and Prabhu Sri Ram is the Sanatan, Sanskrit, represents the Sanatan Sanskriti. But this is not just a singular instance. Congress Party has been a repeated offender. It has called Sanatan dengue malaria. We will keep exposing the Congress Party time and again, because the Congress's anti-Hindu agenda has been rejected by the people of the country. Now, what is clear, the more the person is anti-Hindu, the more the senior is the leader of the Congress Party. So the criteria to get promotion in the Congress Party, which Rahul Gandhi has made it clear from his statement, is that an individual in the Congress Party has to be anti-Hindu, he has to abuse Prabhu Sri Ram, and he has to sing praises for Pakistan.
And Pradeep, this doesn't really look like some kind of a faux pas or a slip of tongue, because this has been the stated position of the party in the past as well. During UPA rule, the Congress Party had called Lord Ram a mythological figure, in the affidavit that was filed in Supreme Court on Ram Setu.
Well, the party which has coined the term Hindu Atantwad, for them every abuse of Sanatan and every abuse of Prabhu Sri Ram is not a slip of a tongue. It is conscious, it is deliberate, and it is by design. And the design is done by Rahul Gandhi, and his statement, if you observe, it was a question in an interview, and he said this after thinking through it. And it is just not a first instance. If you recall in the past, that Congress Party has even questioned the existence of Ram Setu, and Congress Party's advocates had appealed in the Supreme Court and were fighting in the case in the Supreme Court not to have Grand Ram Temple at Ayodhya, Prabhu Sri Ram Janmabhoomi. So Congress Party is an anti-Hindu party, and Rahul Gandhi's statement has made it clear.
And amidst all of this, Pradeep, what about the Janeudhari and Shiv Bhakt public display that we also see, continuously happening as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned?
Well, Rahul Gandhi is not just is a Chunavi Hindu, and every other time bearing apart the elections, his only job is twofold. A, abuse Sanatan. B, direct his leaders to sing. So please do not look at this statement in isolation. The leaders of party are either doing two things, either abusing Prabhu Shri Ram or are singing praise of Pakistan. And this statement, I believe only person who can relate to this statement is Asif Munir of Pakistan, because no sane person in this will say that Prabhu Shri Ram is a mythological figure.
All right, Pradeep Bhandari, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. We have Pramod Krishan, former Congress leader, also joining us on the broadcast this evening. Good evening. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. How will you like to respond to the statement that was made by Rahul Gandhi during his visit to the US last month, something that has now been put out by the BJP? In this video, he can be heard calling Lord Ram a mythological figure.
देखिए, जहाँ तक सवाल भगवान राम का है तो भगवान राम पर किसी भी टिप्पणी का कोई प्रभाव नहीं पड़ता। पहली बात, ना राम के ऊपर पड़ता है ना राम के भक्तों पे पड़ता है। जहाँ तक सवाल राहुल गांधी का है, राहुल गांधी इज नॉट ए नॉर्मल पर्सन, ही इज एब्सोल्युटली अबनॉर्मल पर्सन। वो जानते ही नहीं है राम और रामायण क्या है। राम और राष्ट्र के विषय में अगर राहुल गांधी से पूछा जाएगा, वो तो भारत को भी कहते हैं कि एक देश नहीं है, वो तो भारत की संस्कृति को भी ढकोसला बताते हैं। और ये बात हमने जब कांग्रेस पार्टी में हम थे तो ये कई बार मीटिंग्स में उठाई थी कि भाई आप राम मंदिर, राम सेतु, इन पर जो राय कांग्रेस के नेताओं की है वो एक तरह से सुसाइडल है, आत्मघाती है, क्योंकि भारत की आत्मा है राम, आस्था का आधार है राम। लेकिन राहुल गांधी को आस्था, श्रद्धा और भारत और भारतीय संस्कृति समझ में नहीं आएगी, क्योंकि उनका भारत और भारत की संस्कृति से कोई वास्ता नहीं है। जिस व्यक्ति
पर प्रमोद कृष्ण जी, हमने ये भी देखा है जब चुनाव आते हैं, जनेऊधारी बन जाते हैं, वो शिव भक्त बन जाते हैं। और अगर हम जनेऊ के 3 धागों की बात करें तो दे रिप्रेजेंट ट्रिनिटी ऑफ ब्रह्मा, विष्णु एंड महेश, एंड लॉर्ड राम वाज विष्णुज अवतार। तो आपको लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं कांग्रेस पार्टी में खास करके, राहुल गांधी में खास करके एक डिलेमा है कि किस हिंदुइज्म के किस वर्जन को दरअसल फॉलो किया जाए?
देखिए, ये भाग्य की बहुत विडंबना है कि इस देश के इतने बड़े राजनीतिक परिवार से संबंधित एक व्यक्ति जो ना राम को जानता है, ना राष्ट्र को जानता है, ना भारत की संस्कृति को जानता है, यही तो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ। तो उन्हें राम क्या है ये समझ में अभी तक नहीं आया। वो 55 साल के होने को हो गए, तो उन्होंने जो राम के विषय में कहा है तो इस पर कोई अचंबा नहीं होना चाहिए। उन्होंने राम सेतु को नकारा था, राम को क्या क्या नहीं कहा, राम मंदिर के निमंत्रण को ठुकराया था, राम मंदिर के निमंत्रण को जिन्होंने स्वीकार किया वो पार्टी से बाहर हो गए।
जी, हम अब देखेंगे कि किस तरह का रिएक्शन आता है कांग्रेस की तरफ से। प्रमोद कृष्ण जी, हमसे बात करने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया। विद दिस वी विल स्लिप इनटू अनदर वेरी शॉर्ट ब्रेक। मोर अपडेट्स ऑन द अदर साइड, डोंट गो एनीवेयर।